Hey there, I'm Luke the Cookin Camper. Xena the Glamper Camper is at home. But me and Mr. Cameraman are at Sam's Club, and I just found a super cool plant combo that I definitely have to buy. They have these berry plants right here. Peach sorbet and blackberry baby cakes. The blueberry only gets 2 feet tall, and the blackberry only gets 3 to 4 feet tall. The only thing I'm worried about is the blackberry is only zone 4 to 8, and we're zone 9B. But the other option is the pink icing and the raspberry shortcake, and they both get like huge. Okay, so some of them are just blueberries, but I don't want the pink icing. I want the peach sorbet. The pink icing gets 3 to 4 feet tall. The peach sorbet gets 2 feet tall. Which it appears they don't have. I hate how they stack these here at Sam's Club. It makes it really hard to look at all your options. Yeah, the only blueberry 2-pack they have is the pink icing. Which the other thing about the pink icing is it needs 500 chill hours, which, so 500 hours of being cold under a certain temperature. This blueberry only needs 300 or less. So I'm kind of more confident in this peach sorbet blueberry. Well, we're back, but it is on a different day. We were just getting ready to off-road, and the guy we're off-roading with just needed a little bit more time, so we just came here to kill some time. We decided not to get any of the blueberries, and just because the ones that they did have available would have worked, but they were a bigger size than I wanted. So I guess the moral of the story is if there's a plant cheap enough for you to buy, if it's not the exact variety you want, don't buy it, because in the long run, you're not going to be happy. The blueberries that I want only get 2 feet tall. The blueberries that they have here get 4 feet tall. So in the end, probably would not have worked out the best. But Xena and I are going to check out Tractor Supply sometime, and we are going to see if they have the blueberry that we want. We will just have to wait and see. So Tractor Supply does have a lot of like live actual plant options, but obviously they are going to be more expensive. But they're only about $10 more than the 2 bare roots or whatever you want to call them that was at Sam's Club. But I'm going to go in and see if they have any in the package. Peach trees. Peach trees. These are all like flowering, and then some elephant ears, nut trees. According to the internet, This location was oh, yep. So this is not the one I was looking at, but let's see. No, this gets 4 to 6 feet tall. Way too tall. Here they are. Peach sorbet. But there's no life coming out of the top. This one is. I just found the one, guys. Holy cow, I'm so excited. It only gets 2 feet tall. Zones 5 to 10, 300 chill hours or less. See, I don't like it when places sell like these. They don't grow here. Zones 4 to 8, we're zone 9B. So why should they sell that in a store? I don't know. I think that's misleading. Let's go plant this. Time to plant a blueberry. I've got the perfect spot for one. Actually, I don't know if it's perfect. I'm actually breaking my rule. Normally, I only try plants twice. And I've tried blueberries twice. Both times they have died. But this is a variety that I have not tried to grow before. And look at this. I could not resist. I had to get this for Xena at Tractor Supply. It's called a topiary dog toy. I know it's the size of her, but she has a couple toys that are quite large. She does not have a problem with them. He's gonna help me plant today. Xena's inside taking a nap. I'm cooking dinner. I have a sauce that needs to cool, so I have a perfect little amount of time to plant this. Here is the remnants from my old blueberry. I'm gonna go get my little hand trowel. One reason I am allowing myself to try again is just because I really love blueberries. I really want to be able to grow one successfully. And another reason I was okay with the blueberries I found this year is that they are a lot less expensive than the original blueberries I was trying a couple of years ago. I mean, those were the same type of plant, but I want to say they were like $20 or $30. I mean, this for only $10.99 is not a bad deal at all. I'm just gonna put a little bit more soil just to beef up this spot. This is a kumquat. I don't know if you guys, and I should probably come out here and pick them, even though they might not be totally ready yet. I love kumquats. It's an all-natural Sour Patch Kid. Now we'll dig a little hole for our cute little blueberry. Now this is the Bushel and Berry Homegrown Blueberry Peach Sorbet. Now, it gets 1.5 to 2 feet tall, needs 300 or less chill hours, and it needs full sun, which, okay, I live in zone 9B. Full sun during the summer roasts the crap out of most plants. So when something like this tells me full sun, I totally ignore that, because most of the time, if I gave it full sun in 9B, it would die. So this, I'd say, is like half the day sun, maybe. I've got a nice little hole there. I can't imagine that its roots actually go down this far. Normally, when they give you these tiny little plants, they put it in a really big container, I think, just to make you not feel bad about paying for it. See, look at these tiny little, and they put it in this huge bag. But I will use this soil. And now I'll just pop my cute little blueberry bush. I want it to kind of grow this way, kind of towards this little rock pile I've built up here. Now in Arizona, if any of you guys live here and buy a house, and the yard already has rocks in it, these rocks are like crazy thick. Like, there's some parts of my yard that I have dug trying to find soil, and I'll get like 8 or 9 inches down and it's like still just rocks. So a lot of these places I have built way up. Like this tree, so where the dirt originally was in this area was level with the pavers right here. The rest was all rocks. So I have built it up with soil over the years, the couple of things that I've tried to grow in this spot. That blueberry looks super, super cute. I hope that it likes its new home here in Zena's backyard. Let's get the rocks back around it. Our neighbors have about 20 cats now, and they just let them run around the neighborhood. So I have learned that if you leave any dirt uncovered for even a day, it will be destroyed and dug up and pooped in by all the cats. It's disgusting. How cute is my little blueberry? I'll show you guys. Ah, I got a blueberry. Look at the kumquats. So delicious. Here is our cute little peach sorbet blueberry. Like I said, I hope it loves its life. I should probably bring it irrigation. This kumquat tree gets tons of water. So really it should be enough from that mushroom head to come this way, especially because it's kind of downhill. But I should probably give it a little irrigation head itself. Well, thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you see the next time me and Zena upload a video. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.